In this video, I'll show you how to put your PayPal money on Cash App without a bank account by adding money from PayPal to Cash App. This method allows you to move your PayPal balance using a debit card instead of linking a traditional bank account. By the way, if you're a business owner, PayPal might not be the best solution for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. First, open the PayPal app on your phone and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on your PayPal balance at the top of the screen. After that, select the transfer option. You'll see different transfer choices, such as transferring to a bank, PayPal savings, or other available options. Choose the option to transfer your balance, then select whether you want an instant transfer with a fee or a standard transfer that takes 1 to 3 business days. Complete the transfer so your PayPal money is ready to be used. Next, open the Cash App on your phone. From the Cash App home screen, tap the Add Cash button at the top. You can choose one of the preset amounts shown, or tap the 3 dots to enter a custom amount. Type in the amount you want to add to your Cash App balance and tap Add. When prompted for a payment method, use a debit card connected to your PayPal funds, such as a PayPal debit card. This allows you to add money without linking a bank account. Once the transaction is confirmed, the money will be added to your Cash App balance and can be used for payments, transfers, or other Cash App features. PayPal is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what PayPal offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.